light, fluffy, and full of fresh lemon flavor. This lemon poppy seed chiffon cake is fresh, zesty, with a light crunch from poppy seeds, giving you the perfect bites every time. And I will also show you how to decorate it with lemon whipped cream to turn this chiffon cake into an elegant showstopper. Alright, let's bake. These are the ingredients you will need, or you can find a full recipe linked in the description box below. First, preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Now here's the star of the show, lemon. I will start by zesting it. Just gently scrape the yellow outer layer with a fine zester. Try not to press too hard. We don't want the white pith, which can be bitter. For the lemon juice, one large lemon gives about 45 to 50 milliliters of juice, which is enough for this cake. If yours is smaller, you might need 2. Then, strain the juice through a sieve to remove any seeds. We just want the fresh lemon juice. For the eggs, we need to separate them carefully. Place the whites in a clean, grease-free large mixing bowl and the yolks in a medium one. First, rub the lemon zest into the sugar to release the natural oils. This helps intensify the lemon flavor. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add the lemon-infused sugar to the egg yolks. Beat on medium speed until the mixture turns pale and nearly doubles in size. This helps incorporate air, which makes the cake light and fluffy. Now add the oil, lemon juice, and lemon extract. Continue beating until fully emulsified. There shouldn't be any oil floating on top. This ensures the fat is evenly distributed throughout the batter. For the dry ingredients, sieve in the cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Sifting removes any lumps and aerates the flour, helping the cake stay light and tall. Continue beating the mixture until just combined. You will still see some dry ingredients that aren't fully mixed in. Then add the poppy seeds and gently fold them in by hand to finish mixing and keep the batter light and airy. You will know the batter is ready when it's smooth, cohesive, and slowly falls off the spatula. Now move on to the egg whites. Add the lemon juice and start whisking until foamy. Keep the mixer running and gradually add the sugar in a few stages, giving each addition 30 seconds to a minute to dissolve. Once all the sugar is added, increase the speed to medium-high and whisk until steep peaks form. You will notice significant trail marks on the surface. To check, lift the whisk. If the peak holds its shape, the egg whites are ready. This is exactly what we are looking for. Now scoop about 1/3 of the meringue into the cake batter. Use a whisk to mix it in completely. This step lightens the batter and makes it easier to combine with the rest of the meringue. Then pour the mixture back into the remaining meringue and continue mixing gently with your whisk until fully incorporated. Finally, use a spatula to scrape along the bottom and sides of the bowl. Give it one last gentle mix to ensure everything is evenly combined. You will know the batter is ready when it turns pale and looks cohesive. It should flow slowly and smoothly off your spatula. This recipe is for a 7-inch tube pan. Make sure the pan is not greased and don't line it with parchment paper. Chiffon cakes need to cling to the sides and the center tube to rise properly. Pour the batter into the pan in one spot. This makes it easier to handle and helps prevent a mess. Tap the pan a few times to release any large air bubbles. Then run a skewer through the batter to remove the smaller ones. Bake it in a preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Once done, remove it from the oven and turn the pan upside down right away to cool the cake. This helps set the structure and prevents it from shrinking. While the cake is cooling, let's make some lemon whipped cream for decorating. This will not only enhance the look but also add a zesty, fresh layer of creaminess to every bite. Actually, it is super simple to make. First, mix the salt into the icing sugar to balance the sweetness. Next, pour the chilled double cream, icing sugar mixture, lemon juice, and lemon extract into a mixing bowl. Whisk on medium speed until almost steep peaks form. This means the cream holds its shape but the tips are still slightly soft. Then fold in the lemon zest gently until evenly distributed. This prevents overmixing and keeps the cream light and airy. Now store in the fridge until needed. The cake is now completely cool. It hasn't shrunk at all and stays flat and tall inside the pan, which is a great sign. Let's release it from the pan. I can't wait to see how it's turned out. To do that, run a spatula along the edges. Just need to be gentle to avoid damaging the delicate cake. Then push up the bottom and lift the cake. Look at it, tall, straight, and smelling incredible. If there are any crumbs on the surface, lightly brush them off to smooth it out and make it look neat. Repeat the same process for the bottom and around the funnel. Once again, need to be extra careful here to avoid damaging the cake. Then prepare your cake stand or serving plate, flip the pan over, and the cake should come out beautifully. Just like this. The cake looks so pretty and smells absolutely amazing. Honestly, I will be happy to serve it just like this. But why not make it look even prettier? Alright, let's do it. So there you have it, my lemon poppy seed chiffon cake with lemon whipped cream. It's light, airy, and beautifully fresh, a cake that feels just as good as it looks. The chiffon is soft and delicate, rising tall with a tender crumb, while the poppy seeds add a subtle crunch, and that's lemon whipped cream, smooth, creamy, and perfectly zesty to brighten every bite. It finishes the cake with a light, fresh touch, and together, it creates a cake that's refreshing, balanced, and melts in your mouth. I'm so excited for you to try this recipe. Click the link in the description box below for the full recipe, along with all my tips for making the perfect chiffon cake. If you have got any questions, leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video or know someone whom I love it too, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel so we never miss a chance to bake together and you will be the first to see my new recipes. If you love chiffon cakes, check out my chiffon cake playlist, filled with different flavors and beautiful designs. Click on the screen to keep watching. I will see you there. Bye for now.